So today we will study sector and segment of a circle. Sector and segment of a circle. Okay, so look at here. This is a circle with center O. These are the radii O, A, B. Okay, then this part you call it, if this is the angle theta, then AOB. AOB is a sector. Okay, AOB is a sector. That is the area made by the arc AB and radii OA and OB at the center. So this part is called the sector. What is its area? Area is theta by 360 pi r square. Okay. Similarly, if you are asked to find what is theta by 360 pi r square, length of the arc of the sector, length of the arc of the sector. That means if you are asked to find what is length of this arc AB, length of the arc AB of the sector, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi. This is important for you. Okay, this is about the sector. Then what about segment? Area between segment. Look at segment means this is a circle, this is the sector, this part is sector, then OAB. Now if you join this smaller portion is called segment. This is called minor segment. This part will be called major segment. This is your major segment. This part is called minor segment. So how to find this portion? How to find this smaller portion? The area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of segment equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, if this is theta, this is r and r, what is area of sector? The area of sector is, therefore area of segment equals to sector. Sector is theta by 360 pi r square minus half, because this is isosceles triangle. If you take directly, I am writing formula, derivation not required, r square sin theta. What is theta? Theta is the central angle, r is the radius. Okay, so with this we can start the problems based on this. Go to exercise 12.2. Exercise 12.2. Question number 1. Exercise 12.2. Question number 1. Find area of a sector of circle radius 6 centimeter. Find the area of the sector of a circle of radius 6 centimeter if the angle of sector is 60 degree. If the angle of sector is 60 degree. Very simple question. Radius is given, R is given. What is R? 6 centimeter. Theta 60 degree. So area theta by 360 pi r square. 60 by 360, pi means 22 by 7, 6 into 6 centimeter square. Okay, 0 cancel, 6 1 6, 6 6 cancel. How much you get? 132 by 7, which is equal to 132 by 7 centimeter square. You can write in decimal also. See the next question, simple one. Next question is, find the area of the quadrant of a circle. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Okay. Look, quadrant means what? If this is a circle, you divide it into 4 equal parts. This part become a quadrant. 4 equal parts means total is 360 degree. So this will be 90 degree. That means your theta became 90 degree. What you need? You need to find radius r. Then you can find the area. How to find? The circumference is given. So 2 pi r equals to 22. From here you can find out 22 by 7 into r is 22. R is, look at, division will be multiplication, 22 into 7. Multiplication will be division, 2 into 22. This is cancelled, 7 by 2. Now you got theta, you got r. Now what is area formula? Area is theta by 360 pi r square. Theta you put, r you put, and simplify. Okay. See the next question. Complete it. Then comes the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Okay. Find the area swept by. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, very interesting question. Try to see here. So clock is a circle. Now this is your minute hand. This is 14. Okay. Now look, when it takes one round, minute hand will come here, minute hand will come here, minute hand will come here, will go here, will go here, then reach here. One circle it will make. When it makes one circle, 360 degrees. How many? Minute hand one circle means 1 hour. So you can write. You are going to write. This is supposed to have. This is 1. That means this will be 5 minutes or not? 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. So this area you want to find out. Theta we don't know. R is equal to 14. This is 14. 14 centimeter. So you can write the minute hand in 60 minutes makes 360 degree. Minute hand in 60 minutes makes the angle 360 degree. Because 60 one round will be 60 minutes, one round is 360 degree. So in 1 minute, that is 360 by 60. Cancel 6 degree. How many minutes you are asked? 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, 6 degree into 5, 30. That means this became 30 degree. So theta is now 30 degree. R equals to 14. So area theta by 360 pi r square. Try to complete it. Okay. Then suppose this question is asked in a different manner. How will you solve it? So I am giving a homework. Try to solve. Find the area swept by the minute hand of a clock of length 7 centimeter between 10:20 am to 10:45 am. It shall give you try to solve. First you see what is 10:20. If this is 12, this is 6, this is 3, this is 9. Then you can divide 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. So this is the what? 10:20. 10 means this end 10 direction is this. Our hand is 10. 20 minutes, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 15, 20 means your minute hand is here now. This is your 10:20. 10:20 which one will make? The minute hand will make. So 10:20 to 10:45. That means this will come out to 45. means this angle you have to find out, because this is 7. Okay, count how many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 1 minute gives you how much? Just now you found 6 degree. 1 minute is giving you 6 degree. So 25 minutes will give you how much? 6 into 25, 150 degree. That means theta became 150 degree, because minute hand just now you calculated 60 minutes 360 degree, 1 minute 6 degree, 25 minutes 150. So this theta became 150, r equals to 7. So find the area. So homework, this is your extra question. Okay, then go to question number 4. Question number 4. A chord of a circle radius 10 centimeter. Chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Okay, find area of the corresponding minor segment, major segment. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. Hints that here, this is 90 degree. This is a chord. Chord how much? Radius 10. This is 10. This is 10. You want to find this one. Okay. What is area of minor segment? Area of minor segment, that is theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sin theta, means 90 by 360, 22 by 7, 10 into 10 minus half, 10 into 10 sin 90. Theta is 90 degrees, sin 90 is how much? 1. So easy method you look at. Easy method is 10 you take common. This is cancelled. 9 by 36, 22 by 7 minus half sin 90 is what? 100, 1 4, 2 11. Again we see 1 by 2 comma. Take out 1 by 2. 100, 1 by 2 taken out. 11 by 7 minus 1. This is easy to calculate. 50, 7 LCM, 11 minus 7. 50 into 4 by 7. 200 by 7 centimeter square. Okay. Then you find major segment. Which one was major? If this is minor, this part is major. So how to find major? The area of major segment, that is area of circle means total minus area of minor segment. Area of circle formula theta by 360 pi r square only. Pi r square minus 200 by 7. 22 by 7 on 10 into 10.
सर भैया काम आगे खत्म नहीं करूँगा भैया और बड़े जब किलोमीटर हो खत्म हो गया तो 2-3 दिन को बंद करूँगा। मैं अपना बेटा को लेके आया मेरा बड़ा विजिट करेगा तो दोनों दिन कर देंगे ठीक है।
Minor segment, so pi r square 22 by 7 minus 200 by 7. So what is common? 100, here is 100, or if you take 1 by 7 common, this is 2200, so 2200 minus 200. So how much you will get? 1 by 7 into 2000. Okay, so before you go to a new question, rest of the question we will do in the next class.